All right, y'all, let's get straight into it. 1966 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. We already did a full review on her. We put the stock wheels back on. We're going to do a quick walk around and start up. She got the 429 cubic inch 7-liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Paint is in excellent condition. Interior is absolutely beautiful. Let's check her out. I'm going to put the link to that video or the full review in the description. Y'all make sure y'all go check it out. As y'all can see, the paint is in excellent condition. Let's check out the interior. Of course, she has all the options: power windows, power locks, custom-made center console, seats nice and clean, back seat, convertible top functions as it should. Check that dash out. Mileage reached a little over 75,000. Can't go wrong with a Cadillac, guys. Let's go check out the trunk. Nice and clean, absolutely beautiful. Check it out. Engine bay is nice and clean. And that's the 429 cubic inch 7-liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, new alternator. Let's start her up. Fire right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseums.com. Got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. Your dream car or truck is literally one call away. All the contact information is going to be in the description below. That's what we call running like a sewing machine. Don't miss out, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.